Country. I always did love the country. I was born here. It's a part of me. Then I met her. Moved to the city. Lost all of this. It was raining, just like this, that night in Detroit, and she left me. Said I never could measure up to what she was looking for. I thought that was unfair. Here I was, country boy in the big city, just trying to do right. But that's okay. I'm back home, and you know what? After rain like this, the flies will be out in full. Who needs that fancy city food when I have a little buffet right off my front porch? I will say, I miss her. Still, this is my home. I like it.